Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials and taking the first steps now. Open StarUml and create a new UML project. Once done, enable the deployment diagram type in Model Explorer. Make sure you have identified your physical nodes and artifacts, servers, databases, and deployable packages so you can place them directly. Next, drag a deployment diagram onto the project to start. This immediate start avoids idle setup. You'll see the canvas and toolbox ready to add nodes and artifacts right away. Now you model the middle, more detailed steps. You add node elements for physical servers and virtual machines, and then drop artifact elements inside the appropriate nodes to represent deployable units. This clarifies ownership. Use communication path or association lines to show network links and set multiplicity or bandwidth notes when needed. Once connected, label each node with role, IP address, protocol, and port so the diagram communicates configuration details. Make sure to group related nodes with packages. Finish by refining and exporting the deployment diagram, then handle one common problem. You'll edit element properties and stereotypes to show OS, middleware, and versions. Attach notes for constraints like memory or storage. Once the layout looks clean, export as PNG or PDF for documentation, and save the StarUml project to your repo. If shapes overlap or links misroute, snap to grid, use auto layout, and reset layout spacing. This often fixes alignment issues without redoing work, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.